Welcome back to our channel. This is Yijin Hardware. Have you ever heard of ultra-low temperature cutting processing? Is it possible to replace cutting fluid? Points to subscribe to this video will give you a detailed answer. We all know that in cutting processing, wear itself is actually not the only cause of tool failure. The high temperatures generated during cutting are the biggest problem facing the tool. Because of the high temperatures, the tool's own wear is amplified. In other words, the high temperatures generated during cutting will soften the tool material, thus accelerating tool passivation. The more the tool passivates, the more friction there is during cutting, the higher the temperature, and so on. The tool will fail along a self-accelerating curve. Currently, everyone will use cutting fluid to solve the problem of high temperature. But to be honest, the cooling effect provided by the cutting fluid is not ideal. Although the casting method can eliminate some of the heat, its cooling effect is separated by a certain distance and can't reach the real hot zone. Moreover, the splashing cutting fluid can have an impact on the operator's health. In summer, it will also face the problem of bacteria growth and odor. So this ultra-low temperature machining method appeared. By using liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius directly on the tool or cutting area, the large temperature difference instantly absorbs the heat generated by the cutting process. Nitrogen is the most abundant component in the atmosphere. Therefore, the source of liquid nitrogen is also very wide. Using liquid nitrogen as a cutting fluid, it will be volatilized into gas and return to the atmosphere directly after the action. There is no need to dispose of the waste liquid, and it does not cause any pollution. From the perspective of environmental protection, this is really a promising alternative to cutting fluid. If you like our channel, please remember to like and follow us. Thank you, and see you next time.